Hello, everyone, and welcome to RG Dividends. Is this how you keep track of your portfolio? A whole massive spreadsheet with all these different components. It gets quite messy, doesn't it? So, today I'm going to show you how you can do this so much easier. So, if we click on this, it's called Snowball. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Hello, everyone, and we've been asked, how do we keep track of all our holdings? How do we keep an eye on our portfolio and track it? So, the app that we use is called Snowball Analysis. The good thing is that you can use it for free. And you can then also keep track of your portfolio. So if you go to add, you can sync your brokerage. You can then manage your accounts. You just put a new portfolio and then you can sync. So it automatically, once a day, it updates. So having a look at the interface of this app. So this is how much I invested. This is the value at the moment, 462,000 or so, almost 463,000. So I'm almost 37,000 from half a million. Total profit and how much you're up. So 156,000, which has been amazing. And then obviously you invest money, your return on investment at the moment. So as it says here, 10% means a 10% return annually. I'm up 51. The portfolio is done amazingly. And then this is the bit that I'm more sort of concerned about, really, which is my dividends. So I love dividends. Annually, at the moment, I'm getting paid 22,469. Hopefully next year be around the 25 mark, 25,000. So that's basically the top bit here. Here it just shows you everything that you're sort of invested in. So for example, funds, you can click on funds. It shows you all the funds that you're sort of invested in and how much you're up and the percentage, blah blah blah. In here you can add some of the main funds that you have. So for example, I have SDIP is up 6%, so 0.6%. YMAP. So, and then the good thing in this one here is that it sort of gives you the news, why things are going up or down. In here, so you can see the top day gainers. So, for example, with a YMAP, 11,000. So I made 2,000 something on it. So you could sort of just see it, but also you got the top day losers. At the moment, there's an issue here because I've only got 677 pounds, but it shows that I'm down 66,000, which is there's a bit of discrepancy there. Hence this bit here. Anyway, we'll sort that out. In here, it shows you how much the company is going to pay per share at the frequency monthly, the dividend payout, so how much you're going to get paid. And ex-dividend date is the date that you need to have bought the share or have acquisition of the share, so then you get paid later on. So this is really nice, so you can see roughly when things are happening. And then as you go down, I really like this one. So in here you could sort of see how much you potentially going to get every single month, and this seems to be very, very accurate, to be fair. So as you can see, I'm getting close to that 2,500. Not too far from now. Then you can see your dividend growth. Obviously, I started investing in this in June. As we speak now, you can see the big difference. 2026. Obviously, this is going to be up here. Then here you got my goal, so we'll go through that in a minute. Then you got a bit of community or the latest posts, some news for you to sort of read. Going into the actual app, you can see your portfolio. The good thing I like about this is, for example, if I want to see which one is my biggest fund, so I can just click on that. Is SDIP with a value of 54,000. Pay me 5,000 in dividends. This is our dividend yield, and this is our total profit so far. And this is the allocation within the portfolio. This is again the return in your investment. What else can I show you here? So if, for example, in here, if you could go like this, you can see which ones are sort of giving you quite high yields. So obviously some of these top of the pyramid, we know we're around the 20 to like 15 to 20. So we've got some of these within a pyramid. Then coming down, diversification, that just shows you where a lot of your money is sort of spread out. You can actually see everything. You can see all the bits that you're sort of invested in. I've sort of, as of last year, we've sort of taken a fair bit of money out of crypto and invested in other areas within the portfolio. But you can see Nvidia obviously being one of the major in our funds. Different funds have sort of got Nvidia there, and this is sort of the amount that we got in Nvidia. This is, as I mentioned before, I love dividends, so this just shows you the yield, the payout, all these different funds. Again, to 22,434 yearly. Which funds are paying me what per year? This is really good because in stocks, so you can go through every single one of your stocks. It tells you how reliable it is and if they're safe or not safe. This is your average annual growth. Obviously, Nvidia is having has had a really good blow up. Again, the future payments, dividends received, and if we go now to the growth, I think you've probably seen this before. This basically tells you where your portfolio is. Now I compare it to the S&P 500, so a lot of people just put money. So this is the green one is what I've basically invested, which was 339,000. This is the S&P 500. So if I just put everything in the S&P 500, I would have got 300. Well, actually, let's go up to here because this is where we are today. With the S&P 500, I would have got around 373,000. But because our portfolio, I changed it and I invested more in dividends and high yield. Portfolio at the moment is sitting at 463,000 almost. So I'm really happy with this. So and then you can do, I look at portfolios in blocks. So 6 months, I'm up 90,000, almost above the S&P 500. 3 months, it's probably around 50,000. And then you can also 7 days, but I'm not bothered with that because there's all this. This doesn't bother me because there's all those market noise going up and down. So you can't be watching your portfolio every single day. It is quite addictive seeing your money going up, but it'll drive you crazy. So my advice is just look at things every 3 months. So as you can see, just this month I'm up 11,000. And we're on the 19th of June. But you should always just look at 3 months. You know. And then going up again, 7 days, I'm up that 11,000. If I go 1 month, 3 months. So as I mentioned to you before, this, you can have all of this basically for free. You just download the actual Snowball Analytics, upload, again, you add your portfolio. So you can add your portfolio. You can then see all your holdings, everything there is connected to your brokerage. Once a day, you can update it, but you can also do it manually. You just click it and it'll do it for you. So so up since June, May, we're up 156,000, which is amazing. This is the percentage. So then you can see the percentage is how much you're sort of earning per year. And in here is all your holdings performance. So you can see we've done really well. The portfolio has done amazing. How long is it going to stay like this? Who knows? No one's got the magic ball, but I'm really happy where we are at the moment. Right, so and then you can go metrics. I'll be honest with you, there's a lot of features here that I actually use. So I'm not really bothered with metrics and the reports. Going back to portfolio, again, you can see the holdings. this is transactions, things that's happened. So a lot of the time there's like dividends. So you can go incomes. You can see, for example, uh, today being the 19th. So you can see it on the 16th, we got paid all of these dividends on the 15th. So you can do it this way, but I prefer to actually have a look at this, which is my dividend calendar. I find this really, really well done. I mean, there's other apps that also do this, but this, the way you see it, how much you're going to get paid. So this is how much we've received so far. Uh, the week coming up, you can see how much we're going to get. This again, top of the pyramid. If you don't know the pyramid, you should go and watch the pyramid strategy video. And then end of the month, you can see that we've got a fair bit of money coming in. Fantastic. So that's just, for example, June. We can have a look ahead, so you can see just how much money you're going to sort of make. So again, second week of July, that's going to be quite an amazing sort of week. And then here we go to the end of it. So then in that portfolio, you could also go here to my goals. So for example, let's say I want to have the value. Let's say I put 750,000. 750,000. When am I ever going to reach that stage? So you can go down. It says here that it's in 2031. So this obviously adds inflation into it. So as you can see, I'm going to be close to in probably 3 or 4 years, but down to with inflation, it's probably going to be a little bit later on. Now, another thing you can do is, for example, passive income. So let's say I want to receive, let's say 40,000 per year. You press that, and it looks like 40,000 is in about 4 to 5 years time. Again, this adds the inflation into it and other different variations. Going forward, you can see in 2039 you're going to be every year receiving 200,000. By the time I'm sort of getting to retirement age, you're 350,000. Do you need pension? Not really, but anyway. And then you got other things here. Here you can put portfolio rebalance. I've never actually sort of used it. Top dividend stocks. This is quite good. Again, you can come in here, dividend growth. You can click on that, and then what you can do, for example, Johnson and Johnson, very safe company. This is your dividend yield, dividend growth in 5 years is how much is sort of grown. But you can see all these different companies. Some of the kings, some of the aristocrats. So really, but I mean, here I got London Stock Exchange because I do live in the UK. But you can also have, the American ones. You can have different, almost worldwide. So you can have a look at it. And then you've got the community base as well, where people write their articles for you to read. So wonderful. Find a dip. Some people love this, so you can have a look at your whole portfolio, see which bits have done. At the moment, this is all crypto because crypto is down, so I'm not bothered with that. So again, what we've done is, just for transparency, we've got a link which I'll pin it for you. So you can, and I recommend you use this for free. Have a little play around. I'm not here to throw things down your throat. Have a little play around, see if you like it. I'll quite sure that you're going to love it. If you do want, and you got more portfolios, just like what I do, so I've got different brokerages, different portfolios, then you do have to pay for the service. You'll get 10, I think it's 10 or 15% free from subscribing with our link. But once again, just have a little play around. If you don't use Snowball, what other portfolio tracker do you use? Let us know in the comments so we can help the community. Okay, thank you very much. Do visit our website. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. I've been RG Dividends. You've been wonderful. Cheerio.